Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video I'm going to be going through Euro Aussie as we could be setting up for a long opportunity. Now you can see here I'm on the weekly time frame, and what I'm focusing on the weekly time frame is an area in particular which is around the one spot 54 handle, which is just down through here. Okay, now the reason why I'm focusing on that is because you can see how price is reacting there, and we'll have a little look at that in closer detail in a second. But taking a look at the bigger picture, we can see that the Euro Aussie price is working within this higher time frame channel, and most recently price came down to the one spot 43.50 lows and bounced aggressively to the upside. Now that was just to show us that the euro strength at that time was considerably strong. That was when the ECB were talking of hiking rates aggressively as well. We also had the Australian dollar moving to the downside, so it helped Euro Aussie push to the upside and trade above the 154 handle. Now the last time we actually talked about Euro was around about the 153 handle, which was just down here. So you can see that price is trading 100 pips above that level, but we haven't really seen price extend from there just yet. Now if price is working within this channel though, we can have a little look at where price could potentially come into, and you can see around about the one spot 58 area could be a level for price to retest, because it's the top of this channel here. So if I just zoom in, we can see that the reason why I'm looking at the 154 handle is because you can see how the market is reacting in and around this area. We're starting to get price wick down into this point but close back above. Again, we kind of had a wick down into it most recently this week, and is now looking like a close above. So things like that could suggest that price is holding for a move to the upside. And again, you can kind of see price just kind of squeezing within that pattern there after an impulsive phase for a potential opportunity for a continuation to the upside. So going down to the daily time frame, what is price doing? Again, you can see I've highlighted that one spot 53 handle down through here. Again, price has come back down into that area of support most recently and has bounced once more. We're kind of working within a channel within the sort of bigger picture. So nice move to the upside. Price is then trading between the one spot 56.75 and the one spot 53 handle. You can see price making lower highs and lower lows. So what I'll be looking for in particular is some kind of change of direction here. Now from a daily time frame point of view, that would be if price was to breach the trend line to the upside. So if we had a close outside of the trend line to the upside, that could lead to a move up to that 158 handle. Alternatively, we can go a little bit lower. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, what I'd be expecting from price is for price to start changing trend and start showing me that it wants to start pushing to the upside. Now, we nearly had that last time when price retested the one spot 53 handle. We rallied, we broke through, and we made new highs here. However, when price came back down, there was no support to be found. Price didn't find support, and then it came and closed back below the previous low. So in that case, that's a failed move. That's a failed high being created in there, which is not what we want to see when we're looking for opportunities to trade to the upside. What we would have liked to have seen is around the sort of supporting areas, price being supported and then continue to push to the upside. So we've got to look for something fairly similar again. We've got to look to see if price will form that sort of double bottom pattern or anything like that, or a change of trend pattern. Now at the moment you can see the recent highs are around about the one spot 54.80 handle. So what I'm really looking for is if price can come back down to the one spot 53 handle, back to this minor channel support, give us the double bottom pattern, okay, that would be a strong indication that we're going to see price trade back to the upside. Obviously, alternatively as well, if price does just break through these highs in here, comes to the channel support, but then finds support in and around this area here, then that could also be ideal to see price continue to push to the upside. Now, first targets are going to be the 156 one spot 56.75, because there are those key highs where price seems to be failing to break above. So you've got to be aware of those. If we do, however, break through that area, like I said, the area up here towards the 158 handle is also something you could look to target. So I hope that made sense. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.